if you want to change the time signature of your chord sequencer, it's a tiny bit more complicated because you have to go Shift, Menu. Once you're in Menu, you dial across to Beat. You hit Enter, and currently this is suggesting that each bar or each measure in the sequencer is going to be 4 beats. So I changed that to 3. So if I want bars of 3, 4, or 6, then I can do that. Then I have to hit Exit, it's flashing, and hit it again because it's still flashing, and we're good. Let's hear what it sounds like in 6. Just for fun, let's have a look at some other time signatures. So let's go Shift, Menu. We're in Beat already, so Enter. Let's change to 7. Let's see what happens. Exit, Exit, Play. That's kind of fun. So again, one more time, Shift, Menu. We're already at Beat, Enter. Change it back to say 4, Exit, Exit, Go.